don't look so good. Are you okay?
Not really. I have a headache, and I feel a little dizzy.
Oh no! Maybe you have a fever. Did you check your temperature?
Yeah, my mom checked this morning. I had a temperature of 38 degrees C.
That's pretty high. Maybe you should rest. Did you take any medicine?
Yes, my mom gave me some, but my head still hurts, and my throat is sore. It hurts when I swallow.
Oh no! Maybe you have a cold. Are you coughing too?
Yeah, a little, and my nose is stuffy.
Sounds like you caught a cold. You should drink warm tea with honey. That helps me when I have a sore throat.
I'll try that, but that's not all. My back hurts too.
Your back? Maybe you slept in a weird position.
Maybe, or maybe it's because I was carrying my heavy backpack yesterday.
That could be it. My dad always says to stand up straight.
I should listen to your dad.
Definitely. Oh, and yesterday I hurt my knee while playing soccer. It still hurts a little.
Ouch, that must be annoying.
Yeah, but I put some ice on it, and now it's better. But I still can't run.
I hope it heals soon. By the way, my little cousin had an earache last night. She was crying a lot.
Earaches are the worst. I had one last winter, and I couldn't sleep all night.
Me too. And guess what? I also have a stomach ache now. I think I ate too much candy yesterday.
Oh no! My mom always tells me to eat slowly and not too many sweets.
I should have listened. My stomach feels really bad.
My tooth hurts too. I think I have a cavity.
Oh no! Did you go to the dentist?
Not yet, but my mom says I have to go soon.
You should. My dentist says brushing your teeth well is super important.
Yeah, I guess I need to do a better job.
We both need to take care of ourselves.
You're right. Let's both get better soon so we can play together again.
Deal.